Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you a natural and super duper effective way to lighten your dark lips and to get naturally soft pink lips within a few days. So this is my personal favorite home remedy. I use it on a regular basis to keep my lips soft and pink, and the best thing is that even if the content of the lip balm goes into your mouth, it won't harm you, unlike those commercial lip balms, and gives no waxy or sticky feel. So I'm super excited to share the recipe with you all guys. So first, take a heat proof bowl and add 1 big tablespoon of shea butter. So I always prepare in small quantities and also depending on the size of my container. The concentration of natural vitamins and fatty acids in unrefined shea butter makes it incredibly nourishing and moisturizing. So the next thing that I'll be adding is honey. So just a tiny amount, approximately around 2 drops, and not more than that, otherwise it will make a sticky lip balm that you don't want. Honey is a natural humectant. It keeps the lips hydrated and healthy. It also helps lighten the skin tone of your lips. Then add the content of 1 vitamin E capsule, or you can add half a teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Vitamin is a great antioxidant and anti-aging ingredient. It prevents dryness and formation of fine lines. Then add 1/4 tablespoon of sweet almond oil. Almond oil is very rich in vitamins A, B, D and E, and it is also rich in unsaturated fatty acids. It protects your lips from UV radiation and makes your lips soft and smoother. The next thing is optional. If you have, use it, otherwise you can skip. That is rosehip oil, rich in vitamin C and vitamin A. This oil helps lighten the discoloration of the lips. It also protects them from sunburns. And the final thing you need is beetroot juice. So you need a small amount of beetroot, grate it and extract the fresh juice. The coloring pigment betanin in beets acts as an antioxidant. It helps lighten the dark pigmentation or discoloration in your lips and protects the lips from sun damage, and it also gives a natural color to your lips. Now add around half a tablespoon of beetroot juice. So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to melt the shea butter. So you can use a double boiler or you can microwave for 5 seconds. So stir really well. So once you are done, remove from heat and let it cool. Now again stir well to get a creamy consistency. So it's done. I'll transfer the content into a clean container. So your gorgeous, delicious lip balm is ready. So take a tiny amount and apply it onto your clean lips. This extremely nourishing moisturizing lip balm hydrates and conditions lips, and it helps restore the natural softness, and along with removing blackness and dead skin cell, it helps you achieve a naturally soft pink lips. I really love this homemade lip balm. It's my personal favorite, and I'm sure it will give you terrific results if you use it regularly. So friends, give it a try and share your results with me. Thanks everyone. For more such amazing beauty tips and tricks, hit the subscribe button. Take care and bye.